If you are considering a digital upgrade for your business, then now is the time, because Australian government is handing out a lot of incentives for small to medium enterprises. My name is Amir Kutub. I'm CEO of Enterprise Monkey, and let's find the smarter way. Okay, so let's find about what's this government incentive, who is eligible, and how can you avail it. So I'm actually going to refer to my own blog that's on Enterprise Monkey website, because I think it's the most simplest one that I could find on internet. Okay, so it says announced as part of 2022 federal budget. So recently, a federal budget was announced. The Australian government has released their digital economy strategy to support the digitization of SMEs by providing 1 billion technology investment boost. So that's an interesting one. Now, this will give SMEs with an annual turnover of less than 50 million a 20% tax deduction bonus, giving a substantial financial incentive to invest in technology before the June 2023 cutoff. So this is actually active as of now, and it is going to be active till June 2023. So it's not a huge amount of time, because if you are going for digital adoption, that actually takes a lot of time as well. And any spend that you do on that, you are going to get a 20% tax deduction bonus. So for example, if you get a 100% deduction already, then you are going to get 120% of the spend that you are actually investing in the technology, which is pretty good. And the only eligibility criteria is that your turnover, not only, but there are more criteria, but the main criteria is that your turnover should be less than 50 million. Now, this just talks about what it does. So this incentive, what does digital adoption mean, right? Or what does this digital upgrade means? What does this tech upgrade mean? Let's find that out. So it says this incentive has been deployed to encourage businesses to invest in new hardware. So if you are looking to get a new hardware, improve cyber security, which is a huge concern at the moment, because most of the SMEs, they do not even have an idea of what cyber security requirements are there. So extreme, I think it's a good opportunity to do that. Then design a new website again, or adopt new software services. So there is an opportunity for you to automate or optimize a lot of what you are doing by creating a custom application for your business that is going to solve a lot of problems. But also, if you're thinking of a website upgrade and so on, so this is a good time as well. It says which will support SMEs to digitally transition and have a significant impact on their business operations, because with the as web 3. As we are moving into web 3.0, again, a lot of businesses are going to be disrupted as well. So it's important for SMEs that they at least are at a level of what's expected from web 2.0. I think especially in Australia, the data level of SMEs is not at that great. It also says post COVID-19 pandemic, Australian SMEs have embraced new digital technologies, which is good. We have seen a lot of businesses adopting QR codes and tracking and tracing. Now, some of the critical outcomes of investing in your business digital transformation are increase in long-term productivity, which is extremely important, developing new ways of doing business. If you can develop a completely new business model, that's amazing as well. Increase profitability. If you could, so profitability is your revenue minus your cost. So if you could either increase your revenue or decrease your cost, that's also good as well. If you could introduce some time savings within your process, again, technology could, a custom web application or a custom enterprise mobility application can help you with that. You could invest in developing integrations between, say, if you've got an accounting system like Xero, and if you've got a CRM like Salesforce or Zoho, whatever, you've got a website and they don't talk to each other, I think you could actually invest in some integration and then make them talk to each other, make them communicate with each other to introduce a lot of efficiencies in your business. Protect against cyber threats, of course. Increase your brand presence. So this is where the whole concept of website is. And just having a website as the marketing brochure is not the objective here. The website needs to be functional, high conversion website that allow you and facilitate you, help you in doing your business, and of course reach new customers. So there are many different ways you can utilize technology to improve your business. The first step is to identify what you want to achieve, which is like what are the problems that you're facing, what are the challenges, what is your need, what are your ultimate goals, and then develop a detailed strategy on how you're going to accomplish this. So generally the way I work with my clients is I say, okay, all right, this is your business model. What are your goals? What's your overall vision? Where do you want to go? To reach there, what are the things that you need to do, and what are the things that are blocking you? From there, we identify, okay, these are the things that you need to do, and these are the challenges that you are currently facing. And from there, we develop a detailed strategy, a detailed pathway in terms of these are the things that needs to be done. And this is how the pathway is going to be. And then we divide it into different phases and then start working on things on the basis of the priorities that we identify, the most impact that they are going to have on the business. And then we start working on them one by one, introducing efficiencies and productivities, reducing costs, increasing revenue, increasing customers. And that process just keeps on going, and when we keep on improving it as we go. So as this says, our team at Enterprise Monkey can guide you with the journey. Yes, more than happy to do that. Of course, we provide custom software development. It's a bit of spill over there. One thing that's important is that you might also like to consider some emerging technologies for your digital transformation, such as artificial intelligence, the Internet of Things. If you don't, I think most of you know artificial intelligence. The Internet of Things is basically most of your devices that are out there are becoming smart. They've got sensors, and that is actually Internet of Things. So Internet is not only on your computer devices. The Internet is on your Google Home, it's in your car as well, like with the newer cars. It's in your washing machine and so on. It's in the smart lamps and so on as well. So again, there's a huge opportunity over there. Data analytics. Now, if you're a business and a substantial size business, you are already capturing data. You might not be capturing data, then that's a worse position there. You should be capturing data, and then you should be analyzing that to see how you can improve efficiencies in your business. Blockchain and Web 3.0, which we talked about, moving into the Web 3.0, metaverse, and so on, and how your industry is going to be affected on that. And similarly, blockchain, most of the businesses, the data infrastructure is going to move on blockchain. Again, how blockchain and NFTs and cryptos would have an effect on your business as well. So as I said, if you've got some ideas outside of the box, feel free to reach out to our team as well. The bonus deduction applies for expenditures incurred between 29th of March 2022 and 30th of June 2023. And in relation to qualifying expenses up to 100,000 per annum, which means that you could spend up to 100,000 per annum. And if you're spending 100,000 per annum, you will get a deduction of 120,000, 100,000 plus 20,000, which means you're getting, like, first of all, like full deduction, but you're getting $20,000 back out of what you have invested, which I believe is a pretty good deal. Now that's the digital economy website. I'll quickly show it to you. There are some other things as well, like for Victorian businesses who are looking to make some minor digital improvements. The Small Business Digital Adaptation is offering 1,200 rebates on a range of digital business tools that might be more suitable for your size of business and technology budget. So for example, I took a subscription of LawPath. That was 1 year subscription that costed around 1,000. It was on government. You could take a zero subscription. There are like different technological tools that are available, and government pays up to 1,200 annually for you to use them, which is pretty good. I really like them. this is the website, Australia's digital economy, and I would ask you to actually go through it and understand. And especially as a business owner, if you're managing an SME, it's important to understand what's happening in digital strategy, how government is looking to actually attempt that as well. But again, government's emphasis, as you can see, is on digital skills, artificial intelligence, enhancing government service delivery, investment incentive, SME digitalization. That's one of the main focus. Data in the digital economy. See that the topics that I was talking to you about, artificial intelligence, cyber security, critical and emerging technologies, these are going to be everywhere. So it's very important that as a business professional and someone who's involved in SME, you are actually aware on these things, and you're ahead of the curve in these things as well. So yep, reach out to us if you have any further questions, if you need any help with this small business or business data adaptation program or tech upgrade, and yep, we would be more than happy to help you. Thank you so much. Bye bye.